Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. You have to start by open the application, and now we should check if you have the last version. So open settings here and then click update firmware. I have the last one. If you haven't, install a new one. Maybe it fixed your problem. And also what we can do is to put your earbuds to the charging case and wait about 15 seconds. After that, the battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update, and you can remove it from the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!